Hello, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to this fourth live in English for this common help to cope with these virus pandemics. So, all these events I remember are just for you, just to help us dealing with the stress, with the anxiety, with the fear that could be associated to this period. So today I want to talk to you about energy because energy is the key of life essentially. What we are is energy, and we use energy, and we are part of larger energy. So wherever we are not alone, but we are part of a larger energy. Even if you don't know about science, physics, or whatever, you know that energy is essentially wherever involved. So energy is the real basis of physics, chemistry, biology. So every time that you are essentially living as a human being or as a living being, you are transforming energy, because this is the wonderful thing about energy itself. Energy is something that can be transformed, and so plants, just to make an example, transform the energy from the light of the sun and use what they get from the soil in order to survive. We as humans eat and transform the food in energy so that we can live. So every time that someone tells you that when you speak about life energy or universal energy, this is just something, let's say, not scientific, naive, or not accurate, well, you can tell them that they are wrong, essentially, because the essence of science is telling us that we are made of energy. If you remember Einstein's equation, even mass is equal to energy. So we are made of energy. We use energy to transform, and then we need to know how to deal with this energy. If we think about Eastern philosophies use energy and these kind of concepts since about 1,000 and a half years. So in China they call this energy qi, in Japan they call it ki, and with this idea they include vital energy, mental energy, energy at large, wellness. And so what does this mean? This means that in traditional Chinese medicine, in China, in Japan, the idea is that when you are healthy, you have this energy that is freely circulating in your body. So as I'm a Qigong teacher, I do really believe that once you learn to use, once you learn to feel, once you learn to develop and then master your energy, then you are no longer just surviving. So you're not just using your energy to keep your biology running, but you are saving your life, you're improving your life, you're getting better. So these are hard moments for every one of us, because of course this is a moment where we are afraid. This is a moment where some people are losing jobs, where people is no longer sure about the future of their businesses, the future of what they were building before these pandemics. So today I want to share you a meditation that is designed to let you start feeling your vital energy, so that you can start feeling how this energy circulates in your body and how to learn to control it, because I remember that every time that you feel your energy, you're able to connect your energy with the universal energy, then you are improving, and then you are essentially improving and saving your life in the sense that you are transforming yourself. As we transform energy into ourselves, we can transform your life, so we can transform the way we react to things, essentially. So we start reacting to things, but we act because we master the principle of this energy. So let's start as usual from breathing. Breathing is the first and best example of energy conversion and energy mastery, because breathing allows us to bring oxygen into our body and to exhale CO2, so carbon dioxide. In this way, we bring a fresh energy into our body, and we bring out the let's call it in a really easy way, but we bring out all the exhausted part of our living. So let's start with breathing, and as usual, let's inhale from the nose, hold a little bit your breathing, and then exhale from your mouth. The two key points are: when you inhale, bring out your belly so that your diaphragm goes down. This enlarges your lungs so that you breathe in more air. And when you exhale, contract your belly, so bring your belly back so that your diaphragm goes up and helps in pushing out the air. So let's start from that, and let's start from inhaling from the nose. Hold it, and then exhale slowly. Again, inhale, hold it, and then exhale from the mouth. Let's do it 3 more times. Hold it. Every time you exhale, of course, try to get more relaxed. Relax your body. Hold and exhale. One more. Inhale. Hold and exhale. Now let's start using our visualization. We need to think that when we are inhaling, we are bringing into our body fresh air and fresh energy. And we need to imagine that we are creating a spiral just below and just in our navel area. So we need to think that when we inhale, we are creating an inward spiral of fresh energy that rolls in our navel area. So let's imagine this, and when we exhale, we need to think that this spiral rolls out and cleans our body, cleans our lungs, and brings out all negative things, all negative thoughts, all negative energy with the exhausted air. So let's inhale and let's imagine that we are getting with air some fresh energy. You can keep your eyes open or close them. And now exhale and roll out the energy. Inhale Roll in your energy, and now roll it out. Feel that you are connected to all the energy around you. So every time that you inhale, you are bringing in all the fresh energy that is surrounding you. Roll out completely this energy. Again, inhale. And exhale and roll out. One last inhale. And exhale. Now, as we did yesterday, for those of you who followed yesterday's Qigong lesson, let's add a movement to improve our receptors, so to help our brain thinking about these shrinking and enlarging ideas. So when we inhale, start with the hands like this. When we inhale, we open our hands, and then when we exhale, we close our hands like squeezing a ball between them. Again, open. And squeeze. Open. And squeeze. Open. And squeeze. The last one. Squeeze it all. Okay, well done. So today we have seen how to connect with the external energy and how to fill our body with this energy. So how to start an exchange of energy. This energy is not just for us, it's for a connection that we should feel. Remember that we are not alone, we are never alone. Every time that we are living being, we are part of larger ecosystem of living being, we are part of larger community of human beings. So never feel alone. And this exercise is just a first step into this idea that if you master your energy, you will heal your life, you will cure your life, and then you will transform yourself for better. Thank you for being here. Thank you for assisting to this lesson. And tomorrow we'll be here again with the physical exercise. And in 2 days we will be here for another Qigong exercise. Of course, if you have any question, write me, send me a message. Remember also that you will find all the recording of these videos on YouTube as well, on Facebook. And if you have any question, ask me, share this video, call other friends, call other people. The more we are, the better. And stay healthy, stay safe. Namaste.